Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to zoom in computer screen Windows 10. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to zoom in computer screen Windows 10. You don't need to install any apps. Just go to Windows icon and then settings. After that, just scroll down and then click ease of access and then click magnifier, and here just turn it on. And here you can see, press the Windows logo key plus to turn on magnifier. Window. Okay, suppose now I want to zoom this area. Just click window and then plus icon. And here to zoom out. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to zoom in computer screen Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.